Alright, this is the Nemo storm. There's Nemo. This way. We live in Somerville, Mass. In case you didn't know that already. There's my dog taking a piss. Good girl. Nice job, Bella. This way. It's about 30 inches of snow in Somerville. The dog really likes it. Show you what it looks like here. Here. Back. This way. This way. The dog really likes the snow. As you can see, she's running around and that has been. It started snowing. That's pretty much what it looks like. You can see the drifts are a little bit high. Here's the neighbors doing their thing. There's a shot down our street. And there's the snow in our yard, front yard. You can see here what this actually looks like. I live in a city, so don't get excited by the enormous amount of property. This way. Come. Yep. Beautiful sunny day. Come, Bella. You get all worked up about storms in the Northeast. You get them all the time. I don't know why everybody gets all freaked out about it. So, let's go down here. There she goes. Watch this. This will be good. Let's see if we can get her on tape doing this. Stay. Hey, Bella. Bella, get loud. What is it? Where's that snowball? Where is it? Get that snowball. Get it. Get loud. Get loud. Get loud. She gets really, really worked up in the snow. She loves it. Alright, so this is Bella. Now, Bella, there's a poor guy down the street shoveling out his car. And Bella is scaring the fuck out of him, but actually she's just interested in chasing the snow that he's throwing from the shovel. Here. Let's see if we can get her to do something fun. Here. Here. Stay. Let's see if we can get her to backflip for us. Back. Back. There you go. There's a backflip for you. Sit. Sits. Sits. German Shepherds are fucking headstrong like you can't believe. There we go. He's crazy for the snow. It's friggin' hilarious. You get that snowball. Sit. Down. Sit. Free. There she is. Come. Alright, Mother Nature gives them everything they pretty much need. There she goes, into the drift. Leave it. get that snowball. Where's the snowball? Where's the snowball? She freaking loves it. She's crazy. The snow for her is just like... a cute puppy face. Sit. 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 Good girl.